Hi, I'm Aaron from Classic Vacuum. We have a video today unboxing of the R27D from Riccar. Unboxing the machine, we will cut it open here. All right, everything looks nice and neat and organized in here. This piece protects you from scratching your hood. Also, when you're cutting open the box, it helps keep you from cutting into your machine there. Got the manual, hose, dusting brush. The dusting brush can be removed. Upholstery brush, that's a combo tool. Handles in there, the machine. Environmentally friendly packaging. It's our metal wand, the telescopes. Thank you for watching my video on the unboxing of the R27D. What do you think? Do you have any questions? You can leave a comment down below, call us, email us, or visit us at one of our locations in North Canton and Worcester, Ohio.